Hello and welcome all to the Literature Zone. So, in the previous video, we were talking about parts of speech. Now we know what are the eight parts of speech and how to use that eight parts of speech when we are speaking and writing. Okay, now we move on to auxiliary verbs. What is auxiliary verb? Auxiliary verb is widely known as helping verb. Okay, how does a verb can help another verb? In this video we'll focus on five things. Okay, be form of the verb, do form of the verb, and have form of the verb, and the usages of shall, will, and may. Okay, first we'll begin with be form of the verb. What are the five be form of the verbs? Am, is, are, was, and where. And then what are the do form of the verb? Do, does, and did. And have form, we have, has, and had. So most of the times we don't know where to use do, where to use does. So there will be some confusions when we frame a sentence. So in this video we'll see few examples and we'll come to know how we can clarify those problems. I'll show you some examples here and then I'll teach you. Okay, let's look at first one is do form of the verb. That is do, does, and did. Okay, do and does, it belong to present tense. These are the two things known as present verb. So see the example, I do my homework. So in the sentence you can find do, it is a it is a present verb. I do my homework. So here you can find do is a principal verb. He does his homework. So here does is a principal verb. See that. So when the first person singular and the second person singular comes, then you have to use do. When you find third person singular, that is he, she, it, then you have to use does. Then come to did. Did is a past verb. I did my homework. So in this sentence, did, when you um, talk about something has already happened, then you can use did. Then come to have form. You have, has, and had. See the first example. I have some work. So again, when you use first person, second person, singular, and plural, you can use have. When you use he, she, it, that is third person singular, you can use has. That is known as auxiliary verb. See, have and has are present tense. Again, you have few examples. I have a pen. I have completed my work. See, she has gone to market. So, has, it is helping the verb called go and it becomes past participle and it is has gone. Then, see, had. Had is past tense. Yesterday, Raj had a meeting which is already over. Had is a past tense. Okay, so when the first person, second person, singular and plural comes, you can use have. When third person singular comes, you can use has. Be form of the verbs. Am, is, are, was, and were. See few examples are here. I am fine. He is fine. They are fine. Reena was ill. They were in the classroom. So am, is, are, was, and were are all known as be form of the verb. Then come to the next one, shall and will. So where we use shall and will, certainty. When you are giving a promise, you can use shall or will. We shall meet tomorrow. I will listen to her lecture. So shall and will it belong to future tense. Okay? So when you are saying something certainly, when you are promising something, you can use shall and will. Coming to may, possibility and permission. I may go. You may come today. So see that it is helping may. It is used, we can use that along with the principal verb. Okay. So I hope you understood all the forms of verb. Thank you.